Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can install Google Play Store on iOS devices. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Settings app on your mobile device and a bunch of features will be displayed on your screen. Simply scroll down a little bit and access the Battery tab. Inside it, you will have the Low Power Mode feature. Just make sure it is turned off. Once done, get back to the home page of the app and locate Safari. After accessing it, scroll down a little bit and disable the Block All Cookies feature. After you've done these settings, open the Safari browser and search for appsafe.club. Once you're on the web page, simply scroll down a little bit and tap on the Play Store app tile. If you can't find it, simply search for Google Play Store in the search bar at the top and then tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to inject the app. You just need to tap on the inject button and wait for it to complete. Once it does, make sure to complete the offer being displayed on your screen. After completing the offers, get back to the home page and your Play Store app will start appearing. So that's basically how you can install Google Play Store on iOS devices. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.